Hello everyone and welcome to Credit Finance. In today's video, I bring you an update regarding EBT SNAP food stamps. And also we are going to tell you inflation relief checks coming to 4 western states, and at the end we have update regarding food SNAP schedule. And also we are going to tell you about summer p-ebt programs, foreign states that have been approved for emergency allowments, and make sure you stay the very end of this video because I will give you guys an update on the states or the summer p-ebt for school age children as well. And of course all the information is available in this video, so make sure you guys stay until the end of this video. Before get started, if you are interested in the latest news regarding stimulus check, child tax credit, SNAP, p-ebt and everything in between, so make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. So let's start onto these states. The first states again is Alabama. Second one is California, Colorado, Delaware, District of Columbia, Hawaii, Kansas, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Michigan, New Hampshire, New Jersey, North Carolina, Ohio, Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, West Virginia and Wisconsin. So these are the 26 states that have been approved for the emergency allowance for February of 2023. So let's jump right into the summer p-ebt program. So let's look at the states here again. It starts with Alabama, Hawaii, Minnesota, New Jersey, North Carolina, Ohio, Rhode Island, Vermont and Wisconsin. So these are the states that will be again participating in the summer p-ebt for the school age children. Again, I will link this article as well in the description box. So let's hope and pray that they add some more states to this list as well as along with the others list for the emergency allowance also. Now moving on, inflation relief checks coming to 4 western states. Record high inflation after a global pandemic has wreaked havoc on most Americans' bank accounts. Recognizing this, some states are continuing to provide financial assistance to their residents, sending a round of inflation relief check this year. If you are living in the West, you may be in luck for getting a final round of payments from your government. A third of Western states will be sending inflation checks in 2023. Number 1 is California. Californians can expect to see a sizable chunk of change from the government this month. According to the state's franchise tax board, payments are being issued October 2022 and January 2023. The one-time payments dubbed the Middle Class Tax Refund or MCTR will be sent out automatically either via direct deposit or a debit card. The maximum amount individuals can expect to receive is $1,050. In order to eligible for the MCTR, you must be a California resident when the payment is issued, have been a California resident for at least 6 months of the 2020 taxpayer, have filed your 2020 tax return on or before October 15, 2021, not have been eligible to be claimed as a dependent in 2020, make 500,000 or less if filing jointly or 250,000 if filing singly. While the majority of MCTR payments already have been issued, 2 groups are expected to receive payment before February 14, 2023. If you are eligible to receive direct deposit but have changed your banking information since filing your 2020 tax return, you can expect to receive a payment or on before January 14, 2023. Additionally, if you are debit card recipient who has changed your address since filing your 2020 tax return, you can expect to receive your payments in the mail between January 30 and February 14, 2023. Now, Colorado and other western states issuing tax payments to residents is Colorado. In May 2022, Governor Jared Polis signed into law Senate Bill 2020-2023, which bumped up tax refunds that were scheduled for spring 2023 to 2020. While most popular people receive their payments from the Colorado Cashback program already. Individuals who sought extension on their taxes can expect to receive their money on or before January 31st to 23. To eligible for the Colorado cashback payments, you must have turned 18 on or before December 31st, have filed your 2021 tax return, have been a resident of Colorado for the entire 2021 tax year. Single filer can expect to receive payments of up to $750 and joint filer will see payments of $1,500. Now, Ohio in 2022, Ohio government brought little signed two bills into law giving tax rebate to residents. Individuals who did not receive payment before the end of the year can expect to receive payment in early 2023. To be eligible, you must have filed in your tax 2020 and 2021 tax return by December 31st. You also must have been a full year Ohio resident during 2022 and 2021. Residents can expect to receive payment in the amount of up to 10% of their 2020 income taxes or $300 if filing individually and $600 if filing jointly. Now, New Mexico residents still might be eligible for tax rebates or economic relief payments. According to the Department of Taxation and Revenue, the states will allow non-filer to file 2021 New Mexico tax returns until May 31, 2023. Payments will be up to $1,000 for joint filers and $500 for individual filers. Multiple reports also indicate that New Mexico families may receive another round of tax rebates in coming year. Now moving on, food stamp schedule. We have North Carolina and South Carolina food stamp schedule. So North Carolina distributes its supplemental nutrition assistance program benefits according to the same schedule every month. Including February 2023, benefits are paid between the 3rd and the 21st of the month based on the last digit of your social security number. SNAP benefits are deposited on the same day each month depending on the last digit in your social security number. If you don't have a social security number, then benefits are paid out on the 3rd of each month. Here is the February 2023 SNAP FNS payment schedule in North Carolina. Now you can see schedule on your mobile screen. Now moving on, South Carolina food stamp schedule. South Carolina Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, also known as food stamp, helps supplement the food budget of low-income household. Payments are distributed in two separate batches depending on when you first started receiving benefits. The day you receive benefits also depend on the last digit in your case. Although SNAP is part of U.S. Department of Agriculture, the program is administered at the state level. In South Carolina, it is run by the Department of Social Services, which deposit monthly benefit onto South Carolina Electronic Benefit Transfer (EBT) cards. If you started receiving benefit after September 1st, 2012, then is when to expect your February 2023 SNAP payments. So here is the schedule of benefits available dates. Now you can see schedule and case and dates on your mobile screen. So that's all the update that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded new video. See you guys next time.